Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Monday, November the 15th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and we have also a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. These are not interested. So 6 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 3 of them, and of course the regular Sudoku. But today, also in the newspaper, numbers are also increasing with the corona. 19k infected people, yes, and 2k 2,000 people are in intensive care. So it's not looking good. End of the year. So let me solve this medium Sudoku. All right. This one will be number 2, 3, 685. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the one in this column, last column, one in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places for the one should be here or there. We see there one, the one there, one should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this column, so no 7 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1, 6, 9. Okay. Then 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for the number. So 1, 2, 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay. And then 9, 5, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Two numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, let me mark those two boxes. That means in this big square, two missing numbers. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Alright. Okay. How about the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There's 7, no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7. Should be there. 6 and 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. How about the 7 in this column? The 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. Here, 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then, how about the 3 in this row? The 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, we have a 6 here in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6, no 6 in that box. So one box left for the 6 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 4 in this column. 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. Then. 2. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. The 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 9. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. You see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in the second column, so no 8 in that box. Here an 8, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next one, last column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number. We have a 9 here and a 9 there, so we are missing a 9 in this big in the last column. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9, okay. Alright. Then. 1 number left in the middle, a row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2, and the number 6 is missing here. 2 and 6. How about the 3 in the third row, the 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Okay. Alright. Then the 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. 6. Wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 6. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in the third column. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column and the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square also for the 5 and the 6, I believe. Yes, we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, yeah. I'm pleased, but could be a little bit faster. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Just go below and find the link. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. A Sudoku with 3 stars and tectonic and a binary. See you then. Bye bye for now.